Hello, hello. Let me just see if it's all good. Hello, hello. Okay, it's all good. So I just came across this question that I was once solving and I wasn't able to solve this question. So let's try this again. I was not going to stream right now, but I just came across this question and I thought, why wasn't I able to solve this? This looks like an easy question, like this and this and this and that and this and that. Let's try this one. I've got a lot of work to do today, by the way. Okay, so give the head of the linked list, return the node where the cycle begins. If there is no cycle, return null. There is a cycle in linked list if there is some node in the list that can be reached again by continuously following the next pointer internally. Okay, so what I did was I made a fast, I made a slow, while fast not equal to null pointer and slow not equal to null pointer. If fast is equal to null pointer. Oh, wait, now this is a problem. When both are not equal to null pointer. This will only work when both are not equal to null pointer. If fast is equal to, like, this is correct, obviously this is correct. But if fast is equal to null pointer, I don't think there is a need for this line because fast will never be null pointer, right? If it is, while loops get distracted. If fast is equal to slow, return slow, which is absolutely fine, and return null pointer if nothing happens. Return null pointer. Huh? Okay, where did I go wrong? Okay, this must not be here, I guess. Now what does it say? Hmm. So what it gives me right now, it returns me slow, which is absolutely fine. Problem is in index and all. So my output says tail connects to index and zero. Oh, I should do it already, right? So fast. Okay, I should do it already, I guess. Obviously it will return at zero. Now it should be fine. But now there will be one error that says null and all of that. Yeah, I knew that. I knew that. I knew that. Hmm. There's no cycle here, right? Or what if I don't do it here? I just do it here. Yeah, just in the start. I think now it's good. Nah, fast not equal to null pointer. And fast, okay, I should add these ones too, I guess. And fast, next. Fast next is not equal to null pointer. Not equal to null pointer and fast next is not equal to null pointer. Damn, what the hell am I even doing? Okay, never mind. Well, something happened for sure. And it says no cycle. Now the thing is, Tail connects to node index 3. Well, it's expected to connect at 1, which is obviously, I know, I see why is it happening. Because slow is far, it's already happening, right? It need to check it before. Hmm. I just want to make a little bit more changes. I think it can work. So here it is. If fast next not equal to null pointer and fast next not equal to null pointer, when this is good, I just have to do one thing, which is fast is equal to fast next. This is very optimal, I guess, right? And I have to do the same with slow. If slow next is not equal to null pointer, what I have to do is slow is equal to slow next, right? I think it's good now. Okay, so let's run this one now. This should work. I think it should work. Okay, obviously I did not. This one. I think it should work. This is my best chance, I would say. This is the best one that can happen. Please. No. Connects at 3. And then it says tail connected to node index 0. Hmm. Why does it says connect at 3? I don't get it. So, damn man. So it in here is slow, here is fast, then here is slow, here is fast, then here is slow, and here is fast. Oh, I see what's happening. Hmm. It's slow, fast, slow, fast, slow, fast. Wait, fast, fast, next, and there it is slow. It is hard to get the position, to be honest. Here comes slow, here comes fast. Then slow, fast. Then slow, fast. Hmm. This is not as easy as I think it is. It is way too complicated. Now I understand the question properly. Now I understand the question properly. Hmm. This is way harder than I thought it would be. Are there any hints? There are no hints too. Let's just find something else for today. It is actually hard. So, which one should I try? I think I should try strings. I think I should try strings, man. This won't do any good. These are called system design questions, by the way, right? Where was it? Integer to English numbers. All that. Let's try something in strings. Let's go with acceptance and let's find a medium one. Maximum summary listing starts. Okay. You are given a string S consisting of lowercase English letters. Return an integer denoting the maximum number of substrings. You can split into such a way each substring has a distinct. What the hell is this question? Like seriously, what the hell is this question? What the hell is this question, man? You just have to find distinct characters here. That's it. You just have to find distinct characters. Yeah, obviously. Count the number of distinct characters. And to count the number of distinct characters, I need to use something we called unordered set, right? And wow, I don't know how to use unordered set. How to use a set in C++. I need to study from Geeks for Geeks. This website is actually good. Okay, you just have to use insert. So set, and here we will have char set char s. So for int I is equal to 0, s dot size, I guess, size or length I plus plus s dot, okay, I should name this a, to be honest. A dot insert s of I. Okay, and now how to calculate the length of this return? It should be size, I guess, right? A dot size, maybe. This should be the thing, right? I don't know how to use these. I'm just guessing, to be honest. Oh wow. I less than, what am I doing? Oh wow, A dot size. It is called A dot size. It's been... Okay, so what is the optimal solution? Let me see. What is the optimal solution to this? Hash table. Greedy O1 space. O1 space, okay. I thought it is O1 time complexity. Length of set of S. A Python, damn. Python people are incredible, obviously. Okay, so I can use this one too. S dot begin to S dot end. I see, I see. I'm bad at STL. I'm still bad at STL, man. I need to become better in this. I think that's it. Let me open something else. Let me just do something else. 52. Let's go. One, 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 one submission, one submission every day. Three submissions. 14, 16, 11, 4, 6. Damn. I've been working, man. I've been working a lot, I guess. Oh man, damn. Feels good. Let's open VS Code and let's like do something actually. Let's write codes for stacks implementation in arrays and linked lists. Okay. Okay, let me just open VS Code for a second. Just a second, guys. I will soon learn hash sets, by the way. Oh, by the way, yeah, I'm working a little bit on HTML, CSS too. Will soon learn JavaScript. Once I learn JavaScript, man, I'll be unstoppable to be honest. I'll be incredible once I learn JavaScript now. Okay, so I was obviously trying to do trees to stacks. I have not really done stacks, is what I see. Let's make one for stacks. So we will do array dot stack. No, not stack. Array dot stack. Stack dot cpp. Okay, let's go. Let me set up my OBS for a second, guys. X gonna give it to ya. X gonna deliver to you now. Open up the door. It's real. This is how we do. लगा दूंगा गाने लगाऊं क्या बढ़िया कॉपीराइट आएगा कोई नहीं कॉपीराइट का कोई नहीं है क्लेम आ जाए स्ट्राइक ना आए कभी कॉपीराइट पे ना कॉपीराइट क्लेम से मुझे कोई डर नहीं लगता भाई मेरे को कोई पैसा नहीं कमाना दीपांशु says fa chaitanya sao brother what is this it's not a game well actually chaitanya sao I do everything on my channel and right now what I'm doing is a challenge that I'm well it's very nerdy to be honest Dipanshu says fa who's Dipanshu 247k 247k 247 uh, what a number this is right where was I okay if you guys are chatting let me just get all those comments right this is how we do I figured out how to directly scrap videos from websites like pw let's make a dedicated tool well wait I've figured out how to directly scrap videos from websites like pw let's make a dedicated tool well isn't this like crime isn't this crime okay let's try some of my coursework include bits bits what bits what I don't need bits at cd by the way right io stream is oh okay just get bits at cd bits slash stdc plus plus dot h piracy right exactly isn't this a crime using namespace std um int main okay so my end semesters are coming up I must know how to like implement a stack right from an array in linked list it's not very hard but when it comes to array I'm bad at it to be honest so struct stack stack and what does the stack contain let me think about it int it contains a top it contains a top for sure it contains an array int ar yeah it contains an array and it contains a top now int main I don't need int main right now right I don't need it right now what I need is to get like traversal and all of that things I linked stream whatever this is I liked uh, okay Chaitanya Sahu 6474 thank you for liking the stream well disclaimer there is nothing that I have not tried on this channel and to be honest I never wanted this channel to grow but it is growing like people do come on my streams from anywhere around the world and I like it so you're a coder or something well I'm trying to become one. I'm in college, and this is one of like this is part of my coursework, mathematics and computing. So yeah, I'm a computer science student, you can say. So I do coding, I do boxing, I do gaming. I've uploaded roast videos too. So yeah, I do almost everything. What is that one thing that haven't done? I don't remember. Well, coding is very interesting to be honest. I come every day, I solve one problem at least from like competitive programming websites. I'm on a 30-day challenge. If you can see on my channel, I come every day. Bro, can you pack two executable into single executable? One of the. Hmm? Look, I won't pretend that I don't know what executable is. I won't pretend. I'm just saying this. I don't know what executable is. I need to search it. Executable. A computer file containing a program that can be directly run by operating system. Okay, like exe and all. Hmm. So you are saying a exe file that can be two executable into single executable, one of the executable except other executable into the same folder. Damn, nah. I don't have any knowledge about this. Like I'm not a type of person who says, "Yeah, I know everything." I'm learning, and whatever you just said, this looks like something out of this world. To be honest, let's make my stack. I'm already afraid. Okay, so what does a stack have? Insertion, right? How does insertion works? It purely depends on what? Top insertion. So what I need to do is I have to give this guy stack. Okay, so I have to give him stack struct stack, or maybe just stack. This is what they do, right? Yeah, stack and s and give him the address of the stack. And I also have to give him a value that I want to insert. Int value. Ouch. Okay, so char stack and well I just forgot about it. I have to like mention the size of this. So if air dot top, not air actually, s dot top is greater than equal to 49, this will be a condition of cout overflow, right? Overflow and return. Else top plus plus, oh okay, sorry, s dot top plus plus, s dot top plus plus, and um, s dot r s dot top is equal to val. Is this the correct code? I hope it is. Okay, brother, I will join a stream when you're boxing or gaming. Okay. Yeah, sure, bro, sure. Thank you for coming to stream anyways. This is for insertion. Then I should have deletion. Oh, why am I forgetting? This is called push. I must mention these keywords in exam to get good results, I guess, right? Stack. I'm just a nerd. I just realize I'm so nerd that I'm still thinking about exam. And S. So if S dot top is equal to 0, I guess, right? Then I can't pop it. So it's a condition of underflow, cout, and I just messed up here. under flow, hmm, and then just return else top minus minus s dot top minus minus, and that's it, I guess, right? I should write one for traversal too, I guess. Void traverse stack and s, and this will be something like uh by the way, do you have GitHub education pack? Well, actually, I don't even know what GitHub actually a GitHub education pack is. I know what GitHub is, obviously, and I do use to like deploy my projects, even though I'm very bad at like using that on VS Code. I just directly go on GitHub and upload what I want to upload, publish what I want to publish. But I'm bad at like commands and all. GitHub education pack. Let me search that up. GitHub. Which year are you in, Dipanshu? 247K? Because you have got incredible knowledge for sure. Oh, GitHub education pack is for college students. I think I should have that. I've got a college ID. Like, there are a lot of benefits of my college ID. Like, I get free Adobe subscription, and yeah, you're 17, but still you can be in a college, right? Developer pack, it is something like that. Oh, I see. So you get like benefits of those things. Uh, you're in college, right? What are you pursuing? I assume computer science, obviously. Okay, so if I have to, yeah, if I have to traverse this thing, so for INTI is equal to 0, I less than s dot top. Okay, so uh, equal to less than equal to s dot top, and I plus plus. Okay, little bit mistake here. C out s dot air s dot top, and that's it. That's how the function runs. I should ask Gemini if I'm correct or not. I'm in 11th right now. I just love code. Oh, damn! I just love to code since I was in class 8th. Damn, bro. This is incredible. What will happen when you join college? I'm just assuming. You will be an absolute beast. Okay, so let me tell how I got into coding. So, uh, I didn't really wanted to do only coding. I liked more like electronics and all stuff. But again, looking at the job market, this field is very incredible, right? So I chose mathematics and computing. I was also getting an option in my college, which was ITNS, IT in network security. But I chose mathematics and computing because again, I've got mathematics here and I kind of like academics and mathematics in general, right? So I've been just coding from the last 4 months, I would say. Learned Python, learned C++. I love Leetcode for sure. I've just learned HTML, CSS. I'm learning Flask. I'm getting better. This one field that I'm avoiding right now is JavaScript because JavaScript is just an whole ocean of a lot of things. I would love to like learn JavaScript too, but I think there is time for that now. For now. Okay, so let's ask Gemini. Is my stack implementation correct? Is my stack implementation correct? This will for sure come in exams, man. You are in 11th, by the way, right? So are you preparing for JEE and all? I assume yes, you are preparing for JEE. So how is your prep going? 1 year's almost gone, right? How did you do? Debugging the implementation. Gemini says debugging the implementation. Well, am I wrong somewhere? Ouch, battery. Distro you use. I'm not going to pretend that I know what distro is. No, 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 no. I don't even know what distro is. So, what I can see, distro is part of operating systems, right? This is taught to computer science students in the second year. I'm in first year right now. I'm a very new guy to this tech field. I'm very new to these things. So distro, you're teaching me a lot of things right now. I learned about GitHub developer pack, education pack. I must have this by the way on my college ID. My college ID gives me a lot of things like they give me free subscription of Matplot. Um, what was that name? MATLAB programming. They give me free subscription of MATLAB programming. They give me free subscription of the whole Adobe thing. I must have this GitHub education pack too. And distro. It's a part of operating system. We'll look at it, what it is. I don't even know. Executables, exe files, okay. I'm already learning a lot. I don't know how my channel reaches these many people, man. Is it because of the thumbnails? Okay, so it says stack. I should do this like okay, struct. It's good, it's good. Okay, this is okay. This is okay. My implementation is correct, right? S dot top is equal to -1. Okay, there's a logical error. I should have had -1. Traverse s dot top. Yeah, yeah, it's okay, it's okay. My code is okay. He's just formatting my code. This is what I can see. You can use clean GitHub education program and gives all jet braid ID for free. Hmm, I see. Should I check if I do have that? I'm going to check this after stream. GitHub, man, it's a little bit confusing, especially this command thing that you have to give commands in VS Code to push the code. It's confusing, but at the same time, I will learn it in future because I have to participate in hackathons and all in future. I will check out if I have got education plan with my college ID or something. Okay, so it should work now. By the way, if you like know C++, so look at this. If you know C++, I've used this library that contains everything, and because of this, my codes become so slow, man. Like my execution becomes so slow. That's why I want to use like IO stream all the time. 10, 20, 30 was expected, and 10, 20 was expected. It's okay now. Okay, I'm exam ready by the way. So you are a Windows guy. Yeah, I'm a Windows guy. Yeah, yeah. So, okay, so distro means operating system, and there are multiple operating systems, Linux, Windows. So my distro is Windows, right? Again, I don't know about these terms. I'm learning it right now. When you say I'm a Windows guy, it means my distro is Windows, right? Okay, let's supply stack in linked list and then I'll close the stream. Stack ll.cpp. This would be fun because linked lists are my favorite thing in whole C++ because I've got pointers here which I love. Include bits stdc++.h using namespace std and struct for a node where I'll have int val. I will have a val and I will have a int not int node star next, the pointer to the next pointer. Okay, node star next. This is good, right? Linux have multiple OS. Each OS is called distro. Okay, this thing called operating system, I'll be learning this next year, the same time, January to March, in my fourth semester. And yeah, operating system. I had computer science in 11th and 12th. I didn't have operating system in my book, I guess. There was Python programming and then there was DBMS and computer networks. Yeah, obviously. How can I forget that? I had to do rote learning for computer networks. Hmm, I see. Let's implement this linked list. Hmm, so void push. What I need to push is pointer to the node of head. So node star and head, and I need a value that I want to insert. So node star and head. So there is no condition of overflow here. So okay, node star new n is equal to new node. Okay, I've got a new node. The new n's value val. I should name it data, by the way. Data is equal to data. New n's next is equal to head, and the new head now is new n. And just like that, I need to use pop. So here I need to give node star and head. Let me check chats and all. I have my own website, servers, etc. I run piracy networks, more like education piracy network. Okay, so you run all those things. What were they called? Um, I had those in my times. Let me remember those. Study Ratna. There was this thing called Study Ratna, and there was this thing called Study Talk IITN. Okay, so you do that kind of things. Am I guessing it right? Study Ratna, Study Talk IITN, where you can like get all the paid badges, right? I think I'm getting what you're trying to say. If if mm, I think I should think about it. If head is equal to null pointer is equal to null pointer, I have to return underflow. Return, not return, see out actually. See out underflow and then just return. Else what I need to do is head is equal to head heads next. And I think I've implemented my linked lists. So int main, and let's just, oh, I have to traverse this too. So void traverse, okay, traverse, traverse, and what I need to give it traverse is node star and head. Okay, let's give the address, and let's get one thing called node star curve. I should have star here. Curve is equal to head. It's head right now. Oh, what is happening? So while curve not equal to null pointer, um, just print the value curve C out. C out. What was it? What was it? Let me see the chats and all. C out curve val, and then this. That's it, I guess. And obviously cur is equal to curves next, and now just C out ENDL, not count, C out ENDL. After this, I guess that's it. That is it. Is my implementation correct? Is what I want to ask. So, is my implementation correct? Ah, shit, man. Tough work. What did I just open? Oh, I've implemented queues on linked list, by the way. Damn. And I've done this in array too. In array, at least it's a little bit easier, I would say. Pinpointing code defects. Does my code even have code defects? Try Z editor instead of VS Code. Well, okay. It's intelligent. Edit suggestions are simply superior. But I don't want suggestions. You know what? I hate suggestions. Like I've turned this off in VS Code too, because how would I learn if I get like suggestions? So yeah, how would I learn? How would I have this in my blood, this coding thing in my blood, if I get suggestions all the time? What is your skill set, by the way, Dipanshu 247K? I assume that you know front end for sure. Its UI is 10x better. I see. Okay, so this is okay. I always forget that semicolon, man. Underflow. It's like same type of things. No temp is equal to head. Delete temp. Why do I need to delete temp? My code is just incredible, but Gemini for sure had some problem. Okay, so my head is null pointer, and yeah, so this will work in exam. I think this would work in exam. Yeah. So I guess this is it. One day I'll come and I'll also learn queues. I'll also practice queues here. 45-minute stream, by the way. I did linked list question in What question did I do today in lead code? Okay, never mind. I've got a lot of work to do, man. I've got to study maths. I've got to study discrete mathematics. Damn, but there is a lot of college work on my head. Ugh. The library that I was developing about game development, it is on pause from some days because college work is really hectic. I am more like an Android guy, though I have good hands-on experience with fixing things in Rust and C++. That's incredible, man. 247K. When I saw 247, the only thing I was able to remember is Nishan Jindal. So I had an idea, and when you said like PW batches and all, I had an idea that you're maybe preparing for JE or something. So if you are preparing for JE or something, good luck with that, man. Uh, when you come to college, you will all already have a lot of advantage above others. Wait, you know about build systems, right? Well, little bit. I'm still learning. Like there are a lot of things that I'm into right now, like a little bit of game development. So build systems, yeah, I heard about it in college. I'm not very interested in this, but still, I'll try to have knowledge. So I guess this is it for the stream. I'll come again maybe tonight with a Pokemon stream or something. So bye bye everyone. AK signing off.